this incident occurred on April 1st, 2026. It wasn't a joke. While Brandon was driving home, LWX issued a severe thunderstorm warning, as shown in this video.
Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Washington County in north central Maryland, northeastern Berkeley County and the Panhandle of West Virginia until 7:15 p.m. At 6:41 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles west of Williamsport, Oregon, 8 miles north of Martinsburg, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-sized hail.
Quarter-sized hail? Even though we never got to experience any hail, though being directly in the middle of the storm system, as you can see soon, any amount of hail is still crazy.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Williamsport, St. James, Halfway, Keedysville, Funkstown, Falling Waters, Sharpsburg, Fairplay, Hebbsville, and Big Spring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
When I was outside, I could see the clouds forming, and the humidity was so high that I could practically smell the impending rain. However, since I'm tough, I could sense that it would be much more than the occasional rain we experience. This following video you'll see us take a route to attempt to get right in the core of the system, which we successfully do. Also, when I say we, I mean Brandon and the family in the car. This wasn't an intercept with the full team and Taro, let alone I don't even think intercepting a thunderstorm counts, but it's still a start.
Yeah. That's weird. Elementary. I can barely see it, like how the camera is seeing it with the naked eye. scared.
What?
Back then in front of us.
I'm scared too.
Sorry. Here, Jay, do the extend.
Is it going faster? It's not the radio.
My gosh, it's pouring. Yo!
Not me only, look. See?
Yeah.
Lightning?
Yep.
Whoa, that was water.
Yep.
Right?
Yeah.
And I got our school tomorrow.
Yeah.
Water.
You.
I'm scared!
We're out of it.
Out of what?
We made it past the storm cloud, but it's about to come back over us.
Oh, that's why it was raining so much right down there?
Yeah, because we were like right in the core of it.
Wow, then you let me drive into a tornado. I don't know what to tell.
2015.
Someone never tell me. Whoa!
Yo!
Did I do that too?
Yeah.
I can't. It's not my size.
Oh, yeah.
That's crazy.
Brandon, we're going to Storm Corridor, tell me. You're welcome, Brandon. We leave the right time.
Yeah. We were leaving as soon as they issued the severe thunderstorm warning.
Yes.
Well, as soon as we got put under it, that's when we started leaving.
You're welcome.
Yo!
What was that?
Water.
Water sounds so pipey. I don't know.
This was a fun experience. I promise the next time we do a video like this, it'll be with everyone and it'll be an even stronger storm system. Thanks for watching.